Let's go over chain maintenance, so get those spools on. I don't like making a mess, so I bought a drip pan from an auto parts store. I also cut out a piece of cardboard specific to this bike. I use an old toothbrush for scrubbing and 100% kerosene as a cleaning solution. It's $9 a gallon at Walmart, so I'm not worried about being extra generous when I use it. 1 gallon will get me about 4 cleans. So you want to generously spray the chain with kerosene and scrub the top and bottom one section at a time. After scrubbing, spray to rinse and repeat this process until the rinse is clear before you move on to a new section. I like to blow the excess kerosene off the chain while I scrub to make sure it all gets out. Then I'll move to a new section of the chain. Once I've gone through the whole chain, I'll blow the excess kerosene one last time before applying the chain wax. I like to use an old t-shirt so that the chain wax doesn't get all over the place. You only need to lube the inside of the chain for both sides of the inside. Then wipe the excess wax off the outside of the chain from overspray. I'll go through the whole chain twice to make sure it got enough lube. Then wipe down the outside of the chain as a final step. You need to let the chain sit for a while so that the liquid spray can solidify, because if you go riding immediately after, you're going to lose the lube you just applied.